નૈના ગોસાઈ અને ગોસાઈ પરિવારના સૌને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. Today we are celebrating the life and memories of Pratapgarh Madhavgarh Gosai on his first Punyatithi. We're going to remember him through lots of beautiful songs because he loved music, and we are going to celebrate his life and his memories just as the way he was. I'm now going to hand over to Minal, his eldest daughter. Minal, if you can let us know what name you're logged in as. Just send us a chat message.
फोटो तो वाला BBC ऊपर.
Hello. Hello.
No.
Marina Ben, I think Minal is on as Naina Gosai. If you could unmute Naina Gosai, please.
Okay.
Jai Shri Krishna, Om Namo Narayan, everyone. A warm welcome to you all. I'll firstly start by saying a huge thank you to you for joining us today on Prabhupada's 50th, his first anniversary. Unfortunately, with the given circumstances, we cannot get together to mark this day how we would like to. However, as a family, we hope this Zoom tribute can bring us all together to remember what a wonderful man and great soul he was. Everyone who knew Dad would have known his love for music and dancing. So today, with the help from the lovely Marina, we're going to take a step back in time to the golden oldie era, where we can sit back and listen to some of Dad's favorite songs. In between, we will have a few speeches and slots. I would like to now invite Eddie, Dad's eldest brother, to say a few words.
Minal, what name is he logged in as?
If you could invite Mankee, Mankee.
Mankee.
Yes. Actually, I can unmute him from here. Okay.
Yeah, please do so because.
ભાઈઓ તથા બહેનો અને બાળકો સર્વને ઓમ નમો નારાયણ અને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. On behalf of our parivar, it is a great honor to welcome you all to this evening program held in loving memory of my younger brother, ડોક્ટર પ્રતાપ. બહુ જ દુઃખ સાથે જણાવવાનું છે કે આજે મારો નાનો ભાઈ પ્રતાપને સ્વર્ગવાસ થયાને 1 વર્ષ વીતી ગયું છે. તેથી આપણે બધા સર્વ ભેગા થઈ પ્રાર્થના કરીએ કે એમના આત્માને ઈશ્વર ખૂબ ખૂબ શાંતિ અર્પણ કરે. નૈનાને તથા તેમના પરિવારને આ દુઃખ સહન કરવામાં પ્રભુ ખૂબ જ હિંમત અને સાથ આપે તેવી આપણે સર્વ પ્રાર્થના કરીએ. આજે અમોને આ અણધાર્યા દુઃખના સમયમાં તમે લોકોએ જે અમોને સાથ આપ્યું છે તે બદલ હું તમારો સર્વનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું અને અમારા પરિવાર તરફથી બધાનો આભાર. અમારા સર્વ પરિવાર તરફથી સર્વને ઓમ નમો નારાયણ અને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. Before I finish my speech, I would like to welcome our youngest generation, our grandchildren, Kush and Jia would like to say something for his lovable granddada, grandnana. So please welcome Kush and Jia. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Jai Shri Krishna. Vakratung Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nilavignam Gurume Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada Ganapati Namo Namah Siddhivinayaka Namo Namah Ashtavinayaka Namo Namah Ganapati Bappa Moria Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivaradhanam Om Prarukkamira Bandhanat Mrityu Mokshayamamrutat Om Bhurvubhuvaha Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Tarko Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattuliyam Shri Rama Rama Varaname Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hariye Paramatmaya Pranatakleshaya Vasaya Govindaya Namo Namah Om Arvinda Seyuktam Nityam Dhyayati Yogina Bharadam Mokshadam Chedya Omkara Namo Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
That was beautiful. Jai Shri Krishna. Gosai Parivarna Savne Jai Shri Krishna. Today we are remembering the life and memories of Dr. Pratap Madhavkar Gosai on his first Punyatithi. And today's memorial is of all the beautiful songs that he loved. And there are dedications from his beloved wife, Nenaben Gosai. So we're all going to be remembering him in a happy way because memories are precious. And I'm sure that Pratap Bhai would not want anyone to remember him tearfully. And this first song is a special dedication to him. Though physically he's no more with us, but he lives and reigns in the hearts of his family and friends. Pal pal dil ke paas tum rehte ho.
Jai Shri Krishna and good evening to everyone. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। कल तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर डर के कहता हूँ, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए। मैं सांस लेता हूँ तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। तुम सोचोगी क्यों इतना मैं तुमसे प्यार करूं, तुम समझोगी दीवाना मैं भी इकरार करूं। दीवानों की ये बातें दीवाने जानते हैं, जलने में क्या मजा है परवाने जानते हैं। तुम यूं ही जलाते रहना आ आकर ख्वाबों में, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
The next song is again another beautiful song to all the lovely golden memories. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से, हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से। जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार, पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार। बाहें गले में डाल के हम रोले ज़ार ज़ार, आँखों में फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले And another beautiful song, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है।
तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। पलकों की गलियों में चेहरे बहारों के हंसते हुए, है मेरे ख्वाबों के क्या क्या नगर इनमें बसते हुए। ओ पलकों की गलियों में चेहरे बहारों के हंसते हुए, ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झोंके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। इनमें मेरे आने वाले जमाने की तस्वीर है, चाहत के काजल से लिखी हुई मेरी तकदीर है। हो इनमें मेरे आने वाले जमाने की तस्वीर है, ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झोंके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। थैंक यू।
Savne Gosai Parivarna Jai Shri Krishna. I'm now going to hand over to Meenal once again.
I'll try. Okay. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to just say thank you to a few people on behalf of my mum. Thank you to Umesh Master, Shobha Masi, Orishi, Suru Mama, Geeta Mami, and Sunil Mama. With your help and support during the height of lockdown, we managed to organize Dad's funeral puja preparations, and for this we will forever be grateful. So I'm just going to say a few words about Dad. But as I lovingly called him, was certainly one of a kind. He was smart, caring, loving, and mischievous, having a good laugh when we were all out, especially as a family, was his forte. He would light up the room with his big smile and he always managed to leave an impression wherever he went. Dad's special ability to connect with people was admirable. He always liked to have a laugh and a drink with the youngsters. I remember him joining us in pre-night out drinks. He would always come and have shots with us. He would enlighten people with his knowledge of almost everything and had the utmost respect for his elders. He had a great set of friends that he would do anything for. Dad finished medical school in India, and like many came to England with nothing. With drive and determination, he continued to work hard to become a doctor in the NHS, as well as maintaining family life. As kids, we went on so many fun holidays and trips together. He was a great family man, and he was happiest when we were all together. He always gave us the best advice and guidance, and he was proud of all his kids. What you saw with Dad is what you got. A straight talker, content with what he had, and always reminded us to never take things for granted. People would often ask me at events, is your dad like this at home? And my answer would always be yes. What you see on the dance floor is how he was at home, bubbly, fun, energetic. He only had to hear a beginning of one of his favourite songs, and that would set him off, showing off his signature moves and making us laugh. He was not just a father, but a friend too. We loved our gossips together over fish and chips on Friday afternoons and our trips to the cinema to catch a Bollywood movie. He always used to say to me that, Minal, if I wasn't a doctor, I would definitely have been a Bollywood movie star. In his later years, his grandchildren became his life and was able to spend as much time with them, having missed out on some of our early years because of his career. He became the best nana he could ever to Gush, Gia, Kaylin, and now little Raina. He adored each one of them, and we are so grateful that he got to fulfill that role and leave such loving memories with them and within them. Dad was not showy of anything, but was very proud of his achievement of becoming a doctor. Above everything else, he was proud of being married to our mum, who he loved and treated like a princess. He was totally devoted to her till the very end, and their love was priceless and envious to many. I believe he was put on this earth to do two jobs. The first was to achieve his personal goal to becoming a doctor, but mostly he was here to be a loving, caring husband and father, which he did with great happiness and pride. They say a girl's first love is her dad, and he's definitely mine. He was the best father anyone could ask for, and I miss him every single day. Our lives haven't been the same without him, and no one can fill the void. He is the missing part of our family's puzzle. However, I take comfort in all the wonderful memories he has now left us. I will cherish them forever, and I pray that you will always stay close. Until we meet again, Pa, I love you. I'll now pass it on to Gia. She wants to say a few words for her nana. Mommy did it.
Hey, Nana, I love you so much. From the first day I saw you, I knew you were going to be the best granddad. I loved when me and you went on trains and bus rides. It was so much fun. When you went into hospital, I was so sad, and all of us were praying for you. I love you so much. The funny was when you went
Say louder.
in the boat, you when you were cutting the grass. You used to make us laugh so much. I promise to make you proud. Love you to the moon and back.
Good girl. It's okay. I'll now pass it to Pooja. We'd like to say a few words too.
Minal, what name is she logged in as? Pooja. What device or what name?
Can someone write it? It's message. It should be Pooja Matharu.
Pooja.
Pooja. She doesn't know. She does. So it's on there.
Tesh Krishna. Sunday, 29th March 2020, 7 p.m. I remember it like it was yesterday. I remember the call, my drive to the hospital, the walk to the ward, and the feeling I felt when we were told he is gone. I felt cold, numb, and like I had no life in me. I still had hope and didn't believe it because it was my papa. Being the youngest and fairest of them all, I was daddy's little girl. No matter how old I got, even after becoming a mum myself, he still called me his little princess. Growing up, all I wanted was to be with him, wherever he went, whether it was shopping, going to work, or visiting his friends. And being out with Papa, I always got whatever I wanted. And when he came to learn what I loved, throughout my life, he always came home with those things. Papa was someone that worked his entire childhood to have the ability to save and heal lives. He would tell us over and over again how he used to sit under the lamppost back home to read and revise for his exams. He always told us how lucky we are to have what we have here for education, and always wanted at least one of us to follow in his footsteps. Unfortunately, none of us did, and every opportunity he got, he would make a point of letting us know. However, I can tell you, even though none of us became a doctor, he was still so proud of what we did achieve in our lives. We were privileged to have Papa as our personal doctor. No matter how big or small the problem, he would always give us his 100%. His glasses would be on and his sympathy would be huge, even if it was the tiniest graze. Not only was he our home doctor, he would also be on hand to help any family member or friend. Dad would be their first point of contact or their second opinion. He found it funny when I could never pronounce the name of any medication and would always correct me and say, see, if you studied medicine, you would have known. Growing up, our house was somewhere our friends would come over, whether it was to chill or to have drinks before a night out. And Dad would go above and beyond to make sure the drinks cabinet was stocked up and a fridge full of food. He loved being with us youngsters, whether it was to have a cheeky shot without mum knowing, or just to sit, make us laugh, or be the cameraman. Papa was someone that could not sleep until he knew we were home, no matter how late it was. As quiet as I tried to be, he would always be on top of the stairs asking if I'm okay. Sometimes it would be, Pujari, which basically meant, what time do you call this? Papa was the most smartest man that always made sure he looked good, smelt nice, and had his sunglasses on everywhere he went. Who brushes their hair before bed? Yet Papa did. He was the first and last on the dance floor at every wedding or party, and whoever was in his view would be his dancing partner, whether they liked it or not. This included waitresses and strangers he didn't know. I always said no when he would try to pull me up for a dance, but I would do anything right now to have one more dance with him. Baba lived his life for us all, most importantly for our mum. They had the strongest and the most lovable relationship. He would take her to work and pick her up daily just so mum didn't have to drive. He would park closest to any supermarket or place they went so mum didn't have to walk. Anything she wanted or needed, Dad made it happen. Mum, we know we can never replace his love and presence in your life, but we promise we will try and we will make sure you live your life through his eyes, because that is all he would ever want. When Dad needed a letter typed up on the computer, I still up to this day don't know why it would always have to be me. My brother and sister would always laugh because they knew how much I hated it. Even after I got married, every time I went home, he would have a pile of letters by the computer, ready to be typed, with him saying, Pujari, my letter type kora noche. And it wasn't always straightforward because I could never read his doctor's handwriting. Today, Papa, this is my letter to you. Our entire world has been turned upside down from the second you left us, but we are ever so grateful for what we shared together. You wasn't only the most amazing father to us, but such a doting husband and a grandfather. You saw each one of your children marry their life partners and saw them bring your grandchildren into this world. We are so grateful that we gave you that opportunity to be a nana and a dada. We have lost the light in our home. The house feels empty without you. Our hearts feel empty without you. They say in time it gets easier. Unfortunately, I don't think it will. My heart burns at the thought of never seeing or hearing you again. Papa, I will never get over this heartbreak, but I promise to continue to make you the proudest daddy of them all. I want to thank you for giving me everything I've ever wanted from the moment I was born. I remember your tears on my wedding day, the day you thought you had lost me to another man. This was not true because you have always and will be my first and last love. You made me the woman I am today. No matter the struggles you went through, we were always your number one priority, and you still gave us all we dreamed of. When I fell down, you was always there to lift me, whether it was physically or mentally. I can't tell you how much I miss you. You'll always be my one wish. There's not a second that doesn't go by when I don't think of you. We wasn't ready to let you go, and you have left a huge void in all of our lives. But Papa, go spread your wings and watch from above. Wherever you may be, I hope you are at peace. We feel your presence every day, and your legacy will live on through us all. Jai Shri Krishna. I will now pass it over to my brother, Mitesh.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I would like to thank you all today for joining us to celebrate my dad's beautiful life. My dad was an incredible person, full of laughter, love, and most importantly, he was a great role model. He was an amazing father, husband, and a granddad, spreading his joy and happiness even with his famous dance moves, continuously making us smile. I miss him dearly, and he will always remain in my heart and memories as my rock and my partner in crime. I'm very grateful to have a father that guided me into the person I am today. And I cherish the memories I have with him. I know wherever he is, he'll be smiling down and continuing to guide us. I would like to thank everyone who has been there for us through this difficult time, and I pray that everyone stays healthy and safe. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. I'm going to hand over to Sunil Bhai Gusai.
Thank you, Marina Ben. Thank you, Mitesh. First of all, Naina Ben, I'd like to thank you for allowing me the opportunity to say a few words this evening. But Abai was indeed the most popular sons of the Gosai community. and much loved and respected members of our family. Pratap Bhai came into our lives way back in 1960s when we were sent from Africa to Jamnagar for studying, and Pratap Bhai soon followed to study medicine there. He and his dear friend Ramesh Bhai would often visit our home, but Pratap Bhai officially became member of our family when he married our dear sister Naina Ben. I'm sure all members of our extended family will agree with me when I say that Pratap Bhai was indeed God's own precious treasure given to us to enjoy for almost 60 years, filling our lives with many, many beautiful memories, which I'm sure will last forever. Pratap Bhai, you were a true legend of our family. Thank you for everything. Om Namah Shivaya. Over to you, Marina Ben.
Thank you, Sunil Bhai. Pratap Bhai will always live in the memories of his family and friends, and this is another beautiful song dedicated to him, that how dearly he's missed and how much he's loved.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार, प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार, मैं तो सदा के तुम्हारी दीवानी आ आ आ मैं तो सदा के तुम्हारी दीवानी भूल गए सैया प्रीत पुरानी कदर न जानी कदर न जानी हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना
And another beautiful song to be dedicated to the memories of Dr. Pratap Gosai.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे कोई नगमा कहीं गूंजा कहा दिल ने ये तो आई, कहीं चटकी गली कोई मैं ये समझा तो शर्माई। कोई खुशबू कहीं बिखरी लगाए जुल्फ लहराई। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे फिजा रंगी अदा रंगी, ये इठलाना ये शर्माना ये अंगड़ाई ये तन्हाई ये बल खाकर चले जाना। बना देगा नहीं किसको जवा जादू ये दीवाना। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे जहाँ तू है वहाँ मैं हूँ, मेरे दिल की तू धड़कन है, मुसाफिर मैं तू मंजिल है, मैं प्यासा हूँ तू सावन है, मेरी दुनिया ये नजरें हैं, मेरी जन्नत ये दामन है, लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए, सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए, लिखे जो खत तुझे।
Thank you. Thank you.
Pratap Bhai was born in a village called Gunda in India, and growing up he always wanted to study medicine, which he took up in Jamnagar, where he completed his studies at the MP Shah Medical College. And after that his journey took him to Dar es Salaam, where he met Nena Ben, and later they got married in 1975. He worked in Bugando Hospital in Mwanza for 3.5 years. And this is another song dedicated to his life and his memories.
आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा
पिया आधी है प्यार की भाषा, आधी रहने दो मन की अभिलाषा। पिया आधी है प्यार की भाषा, आधी रहने दो मन की अभिलाषा। आधी छल के नयन आधे ढल के नयन, आधी पलकों में भी है बरसात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा
आस कब तक रहेगी अधूरी, प्यास होगी नहीं क्या ये पूरी। आस कब तक रहेगी अधूरी, प्यास होगी नहीं क्या ये पूरी। प्यासा प्यासा पवन, प्यासा प्यासा गगन, प्यासे तारों की भी है बारात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी।
आधा है चंद्रमा
the next song is again a special dedication to all those lovely memories of parties and Pratap Bhai on the dancing floor. Another one of his favorite songs.
क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो। क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो।
फिर से कहो, कहते रहो, अच्छा लगता है। जीवन का हर सपना अब सच्चा लगता है।
ओ क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो। क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो।
तारीफ करोगे कब तक, बोलो कब तक।
मेरे सीने में सांस रहेगी जब तक।
कब तक मैं रहूंगी मन में, हाँ मन में।
सूरज होगा जब तक नील गगन में।
फिर से कहो, कहते रहो, अच्छा लगता है। जीवन का हर सपना अब सच्चा लगता है।
ओह क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो। तुम प्यार से प्यारे हो, तुम जान हमारी हो। ओ खुश हो ना मुझे तुम पाकर, मुझे पाकर।
प्यासे दिल को आज मिला है सागर।
क्या दिल में है और तमन्ना है तमन्ना।
हर जीवन में तुम मेरे ही बनना।
फिर से कहो और कहती रहो, अच्छा लगता है।
जीवन का हर सपना अब सच्चा लगता है।
ओ क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो।
तुम प्यार से प्यारे हो,
तुम जान हमारी हो।
तुम प्यार से प्यारे हो,
तुम जान हमारी हो।
In 1979, Pratap Bhai and Naina Ben came to England, where later they were blessed with 3 beautiful children. And all the while he was studying to pass his exams in London, and all his dedicated hard work paid off as he successfully became a GP. And the next song is a special dedication to him.
तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए। हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए। मौत भी आती नहीं, आस भी जाती नहीं, दिल को ये क्या हो गया, कोई शय भाती नहीं। लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए। एक जार लाख गम घुट के रह जाए ना दम, आओ तुमको देख ले डूबती नजरों से हम। लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए। हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए।
And the next song is a special dedication to the man who loved music and who loved the dance floor. First and last to be on the dance floor. This is dedicated to his memories.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। एक चीज कयामत भी है, लोगों से सुना करते थे, तुम्हें देख के मैंने माना। वो ठीक कहा करते थे, वो ठीक कहा करते थे। है चाल में तेरी जालिम कुछ ऐसी बला का जादू, 100 बार संभाला दिल को पर हो के रहा वे काबू। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। हर सुबह किरण लाली है रंग तेरे गालों का, हर शाम की चादर काली साया है तेरे बालों का। हर सुबह किरण की लाली है रंग तेरे गालों का, हर शाम की चादर काली साया है तेरे बालों का, साया है तेरे बालों का। तू बल खाती एक नदिया, हर मौज तेरी अंगड़ाई, जो इन मौजों में डूबा उसने ही दुनिया पाई। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
And the next song is again another song that he would have danced to.
Say shower, shower, say shower, shower, say shower, shower, say shower, shower.
सोनी तेरी पायल, रूप है तेरा सोना सोना, सोनी तेरी पायल, सोना सोना सोनी तेरी पायल।
से छनके कर दे सबको घायल,
कह रहा आंखों का काजल, इश्क में जीना मरना।
Everybody शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा, मंगड़ा से शावा शावा। Yeah. Oh yeah. रूप है मेरा सोना सोना, सोनी मेरी पायल, रूप है मेरा सोना सोना, सोनी मेरी पायल। छन छना छन ऐसे छन के कर दे सबको घायल, कह रहा आंखों का काजल, इश्क में जीना मरना। से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा, भांगड़ा से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा। माहिया वे आजा माही, माहिया वे आजा, माहिया वे आजा माही, माहिया वे आजा, माहिया वे आजा माही, माहिया वे आजा, माहिया वे आजा माही, माहिया वे आजा। नचले वे नचले गोरी नचले नचले वे नचले देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार में होने लगा दिल में करार में रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया सुन के तेरी बातें सोनी यार में माही मैनू तेरे नाल प्यार में तुझ बिन मैं की करा रब जानिया तुझ बिन मैं की करा से शावा शावा माहिया से शावा शावा मंगड़ा से शावा शावा माहिया से शावा शावा
And the next one is a bhajan. And this is again dedicated to Pratap Bhai on his first Punyatithi. Ke hari tu gaadu maru kya le jaye chhe.
हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो रे काई न जानो रे काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो धर्म करम ना जोड़ा बन गया धर्म करम ना जोड़ा बन गया धीरज नी लगाम ताणू काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारू क्या ले जाए काई न जानो सुख ने दुख ना पैड़ा ऊपर गाड़ू चालू जाए सुख ने दुख ना पैड़ा ऊपर गाड़ू चालू जाए सुख ने दुख ना पैड़ा ऊपर गाड़ू चालू जाए कधी उगे आशानो सूरज कधी अंधारो थाय कधी उगे आशानो सूरज कधी अंधारो थाय मारी मुझे खबर नहीं कई क्या मारो ठेकाणू काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारो क्या ले जाए काई न जानो हरी तू गाड़ू मारो क्या ले जाए काई न जानो
Before I do the next song, I would like to read out a tribute that has been sent to me by one of Kishore Bhai's dearest friend, Pratap Bhai's dearest friend, Kishore Bhai Pancholi. I'm going to read it just as the way it's been sent to me on behalf of Kishore Bhai Pancholi. Dr. Pratap Gosai, my memorable buddy, as we used to call each other, a very dear close friend for over 60 years. We met during our primary school continuing until senior Cambridge. So much fun and laughter growing up together. Pratap became very disheartened when I was leaving Tanga to go to India. He made a special trip to Mombasa to come and bid farewell on the ship. A very sad moment with a touch of feeling. An occasion when he accidentally spotted me in Porbandar, where he was doing his degree in medicine. After that, he made a special journey to my hometown of Gandev, 300 miles to come and see me. What a joyful moment. I can never forget the most emotional time when he took me to his surgery in London. With a stethoscope around my neck, he made me sit down in his executive chair. A moment I would always treasure. Pratap, you will always remain in our heart, and we will always cherish sweet memories and the bondage of friendship. And he goes on that my dear friend Pratap was a very happy-go-lucky person and a great charmer too, especially when we used to go out to any musical parties or functions. There was a very special instinct inside him with music. Straight away he would be up on his feet and would be on the dance floor. Such was his charm, and he was a brilliant dancer too. No doubt you will be dearly missed by me and all our group, family friends. Jai Shri Krishna from Kishore and Neelu Pancholi. Next song is dedicated to all these beautiful memories. Never say goodbye.
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता, दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। जितनी थी खुशियाँ सब खो चुकी है, बस एक गम है कि जाता नहीं।
समझा के देखा, बहला के देखा, दिल है कि चैन इसको आता नहीं, आता नहीं।
आंसू है कि है अंगारे, आग है अब आँखों से बहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
And the next song is another one of the favorite ones of Pratap Bhai. तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नज़र ना लगे चश्मे बद्दूर. I'm sure that there are very, very fond memories to this song. तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नज़र ना लगे चश्मे बद्दूर.
तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बद्दूर. तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बद्दूर. मुखड़े को छुपा लो आंचल में कहीं मेरी नजर ना लगे चश्मे बद्दूर. यूं न अकेले फिरा करो सबकी नजर से डरा करो. यूं न अकेले फिरा करो सबकी नजर से डरा करो. फूल से ज्यादा नाजुक हो तुम चाल संभल कर चला करो. जुल्फों को गिरा लो गालों पर मौसम की नजर न लगे चश्मे बद्दूर. तेरे प्यारे प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे चश्मे बंधु।
And the next song is another beautiful song. मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद सा मुखड़ा रहता है।
La 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 la। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस यह है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। जिस रोज देखा है उसको हम शमा जलाना भूल गए। दिल थाम कैसे बैठे हैं कहीं आना जाना भूल गए। अब 8 पहर इन आँखों में वो चंचल मुखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए। बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए। पर उसकी एक झलक को हम ऐ हुस्न के मालिक तरस गए। कब प्यास बुझेगी आँखों की, दिन रात ये दुखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है।
गोसाई परिवाરના સૌને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. Today we are celebrating the life and memories of Dr. Pratap Gosai on his first Punyatithi. And we are remembering him exactly the way he was. He loved music, he loved dancing, and all the songs that have been close to his life, we have been singing them, and I hope that each and everyone who's joined us today, you are enjoying this tribute. This is another party song to which he would have danced. Meri Makhna, Meri Soniye.
चल बलिए मेरी मखना मेरी सोनिए है चल बलिए। सोनी तेरी चाल सोनी वे लगती कमाल सोनी वे, सोनी तेरी चाल सोनी वे, लगती कमाल सोनी वे। मेरी मखड़ा मेरी सोनी है, मर जावा है तेरे बिन वे, सोनी तेरी चाल सोनी वे, लगती कमाल सोनी वे।
सोना मेरा यार सोना वे, नचदा कमाल सोना वे।
मेरी मखड़ा मेरी सोनी है, चल बलिए है। चांदनी की हसीन मूरत है, सब हसीनों से खूबसूरत है। जान दिल से तुझ पे मरता हूँ, तू मेरे प्यार की जरूरत है। मेरी तकदीर मेरा ख्वाब है तू, सब सितारे हैं महताब है तू, तुझसे सारे हसीन शर्माए, सब हसीनों से लाजवाब है तू।
साजना साजना साजना,
चाल सोनी वे, लगती कमाल सोनी वे।
सोना मेरा सार सोना वे, नचदा कमाल सोना वे।
मेरी मखड़ा मेरी सोनी है, मर जावा है तेरे बिन वे, मेरी सोनी है चल बलिए।
We're now going to do the last two songs. Pratap Bhai was a loving husband, and Naina Ben and Pratap Bhai had 45 special years of togetherness. A very happily married couple, a very, very loving husband, and this is a special tribute and dedication to him.
तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया। करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू तो वही मैं रोक लेंगे उन्हें आके मेरे आंसू। तू जिधर का रुख करेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया। मेरा साया साथ होगा। तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया।
And we're now going to do the last song for tonight. And this is again a special Shraddhanjali to an extraordinary human being, husband, father, brother, grandfather. And everything in life is about love, loving one another whilst we have the time. And that's all that matters.
सुख दुख झूठे धन भी झूठा झूठी मोह माया सच्चा मन का वो कोना जहाँ प्रेम रतन पाया प्रेम रतन पाया। सिया तो कमाल का बातें भी कमाल की सिया तो कमाल का बातें भी कमाल की लगा रंग जो तेरा हुई मैं कमाल की। रतन धन पायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, रूप मिलन की लायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैंने, प्रेम रतन धन पायो। क्या मैं दिखा दूं या मैं छुपा लूं जो धन है मन में, ये भी न जानूं बजने लगे क्यों सरगम से तन में, खुशियां हैं आंगन में, चेहरे पे आई मेरे रंगते गुलाल की, लागा रंग जो तेरा हुई मैं कमाल की। प्रेम रतन धन पायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, मन गगन पर छायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैंने, प्रेम रतन धन पायो। मुझको घेरे जितने अंधेरे हो गए दूर सभी, सब सपनों के सब रिश्तों के पानी है कीमत ही, प्रेम को मैं समझी किसी ने लगी मेरी, तूने जो संभाल की, लागा रंग जो तेरा हुई मैं कमाल की। प्रेम रतन धन पायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, आज मन भर आयो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैंने, प्रेम रतन धन पायो। आयो 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 आयो।
Now going to hand over to Sunil Bhai Gusai.
Thank you, Marina Ben and Kirti Bhai. Thank you for a beautiful performance this evening. Pratap Bhai certainly did touch many of us in his special way, and today's performance by yourselves certainly brought back many beautiful memories that he has left with us. So on behalf of Meena Ben and the whole of her family, I'd just like to thank you and everyone who's joined this evening for this special celebration of Pratap Bhai's life. Sorry, Marina Ben, you wanted to say something?
No, I was just gonna thank everyone on behalf of Naina Ben and the whole family. You've done it. Thank you everybody for joining and making this a very, very, very special tribute for Pratap Bhai.
Now, before we close for the evening, I'd just like to play the Shank 3 times, and then we'll close the session. Namah Shivaya. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. We're just now going to unmute everyone so that you can say your Jai Shri Krishnas to the family. Please log off after you've said your Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you everyone once again. The lines are open now.
Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna. Om Namo Narayan. Bhutane.
Jai Shri Krishna. Om Namo Narayan.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Krishna.
Om Namo Narayan.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai
Shri Krishna Badaine.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Om Namo Narayan. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Shri Krishna Badaine. Jai Shri Krishna Badaine.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Badaine.
Jai Shri Krishna, Naina.
Krishna Naina.
Gosai Parivar, Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Marina Ben. Thank you.
Jai Shri
Om
Krishna.
Namo Narayan.
Naina Ben. Jai Shri Krishna. Naina Ben.
Jai Shri
Family
Krishna
Badaine.
Naina.
Om Namo Narayan.
Jai Shri Krishna Naina.
Naina
Om Namo Narayan.
Om Namo Narayan.
Naina Om Namo Narayan. Very nice. બહુ જ યાદ, બહુ ફાઇન શ્રદ્ધાંજલિ કરી. બહુ જ યાદ આવ્યા પ્રતાપભાઈ. બહુ મજા કરી. બહુ જ ફાઇન શ્રદ્ધાંજલિ આપી. ભગવાન એના આત્માને શાંતિ આપે જ્યાં હોય.
હિંમત રાખો કોકિલાબેન, હિંમત રાખો, બધાને હિંમત દ્યો. ભોળાનાથ જ્યાં હોય ત્યારે ખૂબ 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 ભક્તિ અને શાંતિ આપે, સુખી રાખે, હસતા હતા એવા હસતા રાખે. ઓમ નારાયણ.
બહુ મજા કરાવી છે મને. બહુ મજા કરાવી.
ઓમ નમો નારાયણ.
બધાને સૌ જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Om Namo Narayan. Naina Ben.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈનાબેન.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બધાને.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Jai Shri Krishna Nainaben.
Jai Shri Krishna, Nainaben.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Naina. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
સર્વને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Naina. Thank you for making us a part of this journey. Thank you.
Jai Shri.
Jai Shri Krishna.
ઓમ નમો નારાયણ. નિતેશ, પૂજા, મિલન અને સર્વ કુટુંબીજનો.
Naina. Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ મીના.
Jai Shri Krishna
નૈના.
Jai Shri Krishna, Naina.
Take care.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી
જય
કૃષ્ણ
શ્રી કૃષ્ણ
નૈના.
નૈના.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Beautiful tribute. Very good.
જય શ્રી
Jai Shri
કૃષ્ણ.
Krishna. Om Namo Narayan. Bhutane.
Har 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 Mahadev.
Raju.
Jai Shri Krishna. Bhutane.
Jai Shri Krishna Sone. Har Har Mahadev. Beautiful.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બધાને.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ મીના.
Om Namo Narayan.
પૂજા.
Jai Shri Krishna Nainaben.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
નીકળી જા ચાલો. Thank you. લીવ માં જાઉં પેલા. લીવ.
Jai Shri Krishna, Naina. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna, Naina.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈનાબેન.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Jai Shri Krishna, Naina.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
We love you.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ કેલન.
Ah.
Jai Shri Krishna. Dipuyaya.
નૈના ભાભી જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you for joining. Please stop the
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈનાબેન.
Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના.
Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Indira. Jai Shri Krishna. Dhirubai.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈનાબેન.
કૃષ્ણ જય શ્રી.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ સ્મિતા.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. બહુ ફાઇન રીતે શ્રદ્ધાંજલિ આપી. બહુ
Thank you to Marina.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના.
Tribute. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બટુભાઈ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ
નૈના જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ મંજુ.
મીના.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના.
હા જય શ્રી
જય
કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ કાકી.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ કાકી.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
બધાને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. Was beautifully done. Just like how Papa would have loved it.
Thank you.
Very nicely. Good choice. Jai Shri Krishna badane. Love you.
Love you.
Naina Auntie, Jai Shri Krishna. Mitesh, Pooja, Minal, everyone, Jai Shri Krishna. It was lovely to be able to be
Jai Shri
to
Krishna.
experience
Jai
life
Shri
on here.
Krishna.
Take care.
Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈના. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
હેલો નૈના. ઓમ નમો નારાયણ.
ઓમ નમો નારાયણ શિવ.
બસ ભગવાન તમને ખૂબ 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 શક્તિ આપે આ દુઃખ સહન કરવાની. અમારા બધા તરફથી તમને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. ઓમ નમો નારાયણ. અમારા જેવું કંઈ પણ કામ હોય તો પ્લીઝ લેટ અસ નો.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ દેદી. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ મોટીમાં.
પૂજા મિનલ તેરી
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
બધાને ઓમ નમો નારાયણ.
ઓમ નમો નારાયણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ મિતેશ. બધાને ખાસ ખાસ પ્રિયા મિતેશ બધાને ખાસ ખાસ ઓમ નમો નારાયણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. અને ભગવાન બસ બધાને શક્તિ આપે. આપણને આપણે કાંઈ એની પાછળ કરી ન શકીએ એટલે ખાસ ખાસ ભગવાનનું નામ જ લઈએ. અત્યારે બહુ જ યાદ આવે પણ કાંઈ કરી ન શકતા. ઓકે બધાને ઓમ નમો નારાયણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નૈનાબેન.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ સવિતાબેન.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બટુભાઈ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બેટા. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
મિતેશ પિનલ પૂજા.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ દીપુ આંટી.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ દિવ્યા.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ દીકરા. કૃષ્ણ.
ઓકે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બધા.
હવે શું કરવાનું?
Sunil Bhai, can we end this meeting now?
Yes, I was just going to text you to say yes, we may as well end it now because everyone's gone.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Marina Ben.
Yeah.
Beautiful evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.